Bell and Brunt, a guide to handmade versus hand-assembled jewelry. You must have heard terms like handmade, handcrafted, hand-assembled, or hand-set in jewelry, but do you know the difference? Handmade jewelry is all about an artisan creating everything from scratch, showcasing their unique talent, and working on each aspect of the piece. Hand-assembled pieces, on the other hand, involve putting together pre-made cast components. This is often called hand-assembled, hand-set, and sometimes incorrectly referred to as handmade or handcrafted. But this doesn't necessarily mean an artisan has made the piece. Be sure to ask your jeweler exactly how their pieces are made. At Bell and Brunt, we pride ourselves on creating 100% handmade rings, ensuring each piece is a true work of art.